This video will demonstrate how to lubricate your belt and deck using Sportsmith's Treadmill lubricant. Turn off and unplug power from the unit. Loosen the rear roller bolts by an equal number of turns. 8 to 12 turns is normally enough to get your hand to the center of the belt where the lubricant should be applied. Be sure to write down how many turns you loosened the rear roller bolts. Now you will need a towel or cloth. Even an old shirt will work. Place it between the belt and deck, centered between the front and rear roller. Place one foot on each side to hold the cloth or towel in place. Grasp the belt and pull it toward the rear roller, rubbing the back against the cloth or towel. Repeat until the entire back of the belt has been brushed against the cloth. Carefully pull out the towel or cloth. Now clean the rest of your treadmill. Wipe down the entire machine. This will prevent loose debris getting stuck in the fresh lubricant during application. Once you have the machine cleaned and the belt is loosened, apply the lube between the belt and deck. Place it toward the head of the unit in the center of the deck. This will allow it to work its way back toward the tail end and toward each edge of the belt gradually, because the lube should be spread out over the deck in a thin film and most of the lube absorbed into the back of the belt. If placed too far to each side, the lube can repeatedly seep out from each edge of the belt, causing a hazard. Tighten the rear roller bolts the number of turns you recorded earlier. Plug in the power, turn it on, and start the machine. Let the machine run for a moment to spread out the lube. Now walk on the unit at a low speed for a few moments to heat up the belt and let it get absorbed. Be sure to walk all over the belt and deck to distribute the lubricant. Make sure you wipe up any excess lube that may have seeped out from between the belt and deck. This completes our video about how to lubricate your belt and deck using Sportsmith's Treadmill lubricant.